Hi, I'm Wes. In this video, we'll learn how to use a data collector, we'll open Magnet, create a new job, and connect to a total station. On the data collector, we'll open Magnet, choose the job folder, and select New Job. We can name the job, add info as needed, and hit Next. Here we'll make sure we have the correct configuration. In our labs, we have this already set up, so we can hit the green check mark at the top right corner of the screen and go back to the home menu. Now we have a new job set up, and we can check that by making sure the name of our new job is displayed in the top of the screen. Next, we'll connect to our total station. Hit Connect, and we'll make sure we choose the right hardware for our survey. Here we're connecting to a conventional total station, so we'll select Optical, choose the conventional total station, we'll hit Connect, and we'll get a screen that displays the model number of our total station. Make sure you choose the model number of your specific total station and hit Select and Connect. Now we have a new job set up and our data collector connected.